Hello, fellow gardeners, and welcome. Ken Lane, the mountain gardener here, and I am so glad you joined me. Autumn is such a magical time in the garden. It is more than just falling leaves. It is an opportunity to bring vibrant, festive joy to your outdoor spaces. Today, we're going to explore how to make your fall garden festive and fun, celebrating the season in true mountain style. The colors of fall, annuals, perennials, and more. First, let us talk color. When those summer flowers fade, we need to bring in the autumn stars, pansies, and violas. These cheerful annuals love the cooler weather and offer a huge spectrum of colors, from bright yellows to deep purples. Plant them in containers or directly in your garden beds for continuous blooms until the hard freezes arrive. Mums. No fall garden is complete without the quintessential chrysanthemum, or mum. They come in every shade imaginable, from fiery reds and oranges to soft pinks and whites. Choose plants with plenty of buds, not fully open flowers, for the longest lasting show. Ornamental kale and cabbage for unique texture and color that intensifies with cold. These leafy beauties are fantastic. Their rosettes of green, white, pink, and purple will hold their color all winter long. For some vertical interest, consider snapdragons. These spire-like flowers add height and come in a dazzling array of colors, thriving in our autumn temperatures. And for those who love growing their own food, fall is perfect for cool season vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, and lettuce. Plant them now, and you will enjoy fresh harvests before winter. Harvesting and decorating pumpkins, gourds, and dried flowers. Beyond planting, autumn is about harvesting and decorating. Pumpkins and gourds. If you grew your own, now is the time to pick those pumpkins and use them for charming decorations around your home and garden. Pair them with mums for an instant festive display. Dried flowers. Many summer flowers can be dried and used in arrangements. Think echinacea, sunflowers, or even ornamental grasses. They add rustic charm and extend your garden's beauty indoors. Essential fall garden. Care for success. To keep your festive fall garden thriving, remember these key care tips. Watering. Even though the weather is cooler, new plantings still need consistent moisture. Water deeply and regularly, especially until they are established. I suggest checking the soil moisture every few days. Fertilizing. Give your new fall plantings a boost with Waters All-Purpose Plant Food 744. It is formulated for our local soils and provides steady nutrition for strong root development, helping your plants settle in before winter. Pest control. Keep an eye out for common fall garden pests. If you see any issues, come talk to the experts at Waters. We have organic and effective solutions. Autumn is not a time to put your gardening tools away. It is an invitation to celebrate nature's beauty and prepare your garden for an even more spectacular spring. Come on down to Waters Garden Center. We have all the gorgeous fall annuals, perennials, pumpkins, and expert advice you need to make your garden a true autumn showstopper.